What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be learning about DNA storage. So what exactly is DNA? DNA contains the information for your body, so basically it's the blueprint or recipe for your body. The DNA is located inside the cell's nucleus, protected by the nucleus's nuclear envelope. When we open the envelope, we find a complete set of 46 chromosomes. Each chromosome contains one molecule of DNA. This DNA contains an incredible amount of information. If its information were to be translated into English, it would require 200 million words. That is crazy that 46 molecules of DNA contain that much information. But how much information is contained in all the DNA molecules of your body? It has been estimated that your body contains between 60 and 100 trillion complete sets of DNA. If we take the low end of that estimate and multiply it times 3,125 books, which is the number of books filled by one complete set of DNA, now that all the DNA in your body contains enough information to fill nearly 190 quadrillion books. That's a big number. First of all, let's find out how information is stored at the molecular level. DNA uses 4 nitrogenous bases, thymine, adenine, cytosine, and guanine, as its code. Think of it like our alphabet. We have 26 letters in our alphabet, whereas DNA uses 4 nitrogenous bases as its code. In English, we store information by stringing specific letters together to form a sentence. DNA stores information in a very similar manner by stringing nitrogenous bases together in a specific pattern to form a DNA strand. This string of nitrogenous bases is what contains the information. An average human DNA strand contains 65 million nitrogenous bases. This strand of DNA is then joined to its complementary strand that completes the double-stranded structure of DNA. Now, why are the strands complementary? The reason why the strands are complementary is because of the rule of base pairing. According to the rule, only thymine can be joined to adenine, and only guanine can be joined to cytosine. This double-stranded DNA is then twisted twice into the commonly recognized double helix shape of DNA. But where is all this DNA stored? The DNA molecules are wrapped twice around these proteins called histones. The histones are kind of like thread spools. Now, these DNA wrapped histones are stored in 2 different forms depending on which phase the cell is in. If the cell is currently dividing, then the DNA wrapped histones are stored in what are known as chromosomes. When the cell is not dividing, the DNA is stored in a form known as chromatin. So as you can see, although DNA is quite complex, it can be understood and what order and design it has.